Welcome to hole number 8 in the summer major. This is one of the toughest par 3s in this major and one of the tougher par 3s in Golf Clash, to be honest. Reason being is the green is a little bit crazy. It slopes off to the sides, to the back, to the front, in all directions. So any miss hit on this hole and you're going to roll off. And if you're lucky, you'll roll off into the fringe, but even the fringe is sloped. So you're more likely than not to end up in the rough when you hit a miss hit. So getting the adjustment right here is going to be critical, but then hitting perfect ball is also going to be critical for the most part if you want to try and keep this ball on the green. I got to be honest, I've been about 50-50 on keeping the ball on the green and rolling off into the fringe or into the rough. So this hole could be a difference maker when you think about your score going into opening and final rounds on the weekends and whether or not you're going to have a chance at a banner. So the setup for this hole is obviously going to use a wind resistance ball. I haven't tried it yet, but I think I'm going to try it potentially in my opening round. Using the rocket here with a wind resistant ball might be a good play. Otherwise, you're going to end up using your wood, whether it's a Sniper, Guardian, Cat, whatever it is you're comfortable with. And because it's the tailwind, you really eliminate the ability to use all the other drivers unless you want to hit a min-distance shot, underpowered, to try and make it to the hole on this one. So I'm going to be set up here. I'm going to be using my Cataclysm, and I'm going to be using a wind resistance ball and trying to get this one in the hole. So let's take a look. So you can see I had the quarterback on, but obviously looking at the tailwind, not going to be able to do that. Don't want to hit an underpowered shot, so I'm using the Cat. I'm going to use about 4 backspin here, and I'm not going to use any side spin, and I'm going to use about a half ring of wind extra adjustment when I'm setting up for this. And I'm hoping the ball's going to land, hop on, and roll out to the pin and stay in that sort of small indentation around the pin, but we'll see here. I put a slight bit of curl on this to offset the wind, and unfortunately I hit a great ball right, and you can see that I would have probably been in really good shape had I hit a perfect ball, but instead I roll off to the right. Now, because I had a good adjustment, I ended up staying on the fringe, which means I'll have an easy chip in for birdie, which is critical here. But had I hit a perfect ball, I think I would have been in pretty decent shape to have a chance to be really close and maybe even a hole-in-one. You never know. So that's how I'm playing hole number 8 in the summer major, guys. Thank you.